Om Gurave Namah. Hari Om. Hello everyone and welcome today. Today we're going to be covering how to do solar ingress Saṅkrānti charts in Deva.Guru. This was at the behest of one of my teachers who asked me to show how simple and easy it is to do these charts. You have here just the opening screen of Deva.Guru, and this of course assumes that you already have a subscription to Deva.Guru, and I'll show you quickly how to do this. First thing you want to do is go up to your Rashi chart, your D1 chart, and click on the little toggle switch on the top right corner. This will bring down all of the options that you currently have set up, and if you click down here, there's an option to do transit overlays. This is for your Gochara. Okay, so that is, make sure that that is clicked on, and so I have that set on. Next thing we want to do is create a transit overlay. This, of course, is showing the current transits of the present moment, and I have here my longitude and latitude set for New Delhi, India at the present time. So now I'm going to click on this little head and shoulders icon with the little plus sign, and that brings down this drop down box here, and I'm going to click on transit now, and you'll see that of course the present transits and the chart are one and the same. So the red positions are the default and then the blue are the current transits. So what you want to do down here below is click on, make sure you have Sun and Rashi set, and then you have here the little calendar. And I'm going to go ahead, you can actually click on these fields, or you can go ahead and just click on the little calendar. I'm going to go back, I want to know when Mesha Saṅkrānti was. So I'm going to go back to April and see here, okay, so I have here the sun is at 22 degrees of Pisces. And so, of course, that's not the Saṅkrānti. We want to go to the earliest point where the sun is ingressing into Aries. And so I'm going to click on this arrow here. I'm going to click on the right, change time to next Lagna. Boom. You should see here that the sun has just ingressed into Aries, and I can click on this transit chart where it says go for Gochara here. I'm going to click that, and that's going to bring up the ingress chart for that moment. And so the sun would have ingressed in New Delhi on April 14th at 8:26 a.m. And that clicks a separate tab. So I'm going to go back to the next, to my previous tab, and then I'm going to click over to the next ingress. And this is into Vrishabha Saṅkrānti. And so I can see here that in Taurus, we have 1 degree here. I'm going to click on that chart. And then that brings up my ingress into Taurus, which happened on May 15th at 5:13 a.m. in New Delhi time. And then I can continue the process, and I can go into Mithuna Rashi, click on go as well. And again, I can go for Karka, and so on and so forth. Now, I'm not going to get into the particulars as to why you would want to do this. If you want to have more details in terms of why we would look at solar ingress charts, I would very much recommend you look up some of the texts on Vedic astrology like Muhurta Chintamani, or potentially Freedom Cole, Science of Light. He offers an 8 to 10 month course on that, and of course there's also Sanjay Rath's 5-year Parashara Jyotisha program, which you of course can take, and you will learn everything you need to know about that. This is just the how to do it, and as you can see, it's a very simple process to do that in Deva.Guru. And if you have any questions at all, just please leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them as I'm able to. I'm also in touch with the developer, so if you have any questions for him or whatever, I can relay those as well. Hope this was helpful. Take care. Namaste.